Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So watch my video till end, and shout outs coming at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me reach 6k subscribers. So shoutouts coming out next. So this video first shoutout goes to Special Arts. Second shoutout goes to Pinky Creations. So third shoutout goes to Draw with a Mama. So if you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below done when you're done. So see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.